Yeah, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, I'm going to show you a sole for your boots. This is 2.5 centimeter. You can see here for the size 41 to 42 European. Your feet will sit exactly and give you comfort in every step. Let me throw this apart. Take this, let me share with you. This part is very slim. You want only this part to be tall in your foot, especially for boot or shoes, whatever you want. High quality material I feel at my hands. So I bring one of my boots here. So let me put inside this one to see, to loose here, this one. So, and this is 42 the size, so this is 41 to 42. Should be perfectly sits inside. You see how it is. So when you put this one, it will make you more taller. Something as this, the sole. So if you want to feel taller than usual, you want to look as a 6 feet or something as this is a good choice. So very high quality product, guys, in a cheap, affordable price. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.